Hey beautiful people, you're welcome to today's video. I want to share this opportunity to move to 4 countries in Europe for free. In fact, you're getting paid to move to these 4 countries in Europe. All the visa cost is going to be paid. Your airfare, your flight tickets will be provided. There is monthly stipend. Everything is paid for you. So if you've been thinking about how expensive it is to move abroad, you don't have a fat bank account, you've been saving money for years, you can't make it happen. An opportunity such as this is one you should really grab. It is fully funded. Everything is sponsored for you. So please do watch this video to the end so you can take advantage of this amazing opportunity. It is for 4 different countries in Europe. So I'm sure one of these countries would be your favorite country. Please do watch to the end. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Jackie, and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So please do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, so every time I share a new video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. And also let me know in the comments if it's your first time here. I always have something special for first timers, so please don't fail to comment below. It is my first time. Please just let me know in the comments so that I would respond to you. If you would like a personalized guide to move abroad, if you would like to speak with me over a call and you would like me to guide you on your own personal journey to move abroad, then please reach out to me via email so we can arrange that. I have one-on-one consultations with people and I help people to move abroad. That is what I do. So do send me an email if you would like me to work with you to move abroad. And you can also send me a DM on Instagram or on Facebook, and also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook as well. And I do have a Telegram channel with thousands of members that you should join, because I usually share some quick information there that does not make it to YouTube. So try to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all the support. I hope my channel has been useful. Let me know in the comments if this channel has been useful to you one way or another. I would like to read from you, and you can also suggest ways I could share information that will be useful to you by letting me know which country exactly you're watching from. So just comment below the country you're watching from. All right. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like the video, hit that like button. It really supports the channel, and share the video with everyone you know. Thank you so much. If you want to make $1,000 every month, I have the perfect side hustle for you. This is something you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to quit your job to do it, and it is passive income. So you're going to be getting paid while you sleep, get paid while you're on vacation. You don't need to actively work on it to get paid. Let me explain how it works. You can become a publisher on Amazon KDP, and this is something that I myself have done. All right, so I get paid every month from Amazon for doing nothing. I started over 5 years ago, so you can do it exactly the way I did it, to be getting paid every month without doing anything. It's a publishing business, but you don't need to be a writer to do it, because you're not writing any books. Stackly has put together manuscripts of public domain books that are best-selling books globally. These books are in demand right now across the world. So all you need to do is buy these manuscripts from Stackly, publish it on Amazon KDP, and get paid every month. Stackly has also put together a free training course you're going to be getting when you buy your pack of manuscripts. So you actually do not need to know anything about this before you start. I too knew nothing about it. I got trained by Stackly. I started this business while I was living in Nigeria because I wanted to move abroad. So I started to save money to move abroad, so you can do the same as well. And even now that I'm living abroad, it really helps me with my living expenses. Imagine making $1,000 from nowhere, from literally nowhere, because I don't do anything anymore. And that is the beauty of the business. After you have initially published your books on Amazon KDP, you don't need to do anything anymore. Amazon pays you at the end of every month. So do buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly. There are currently 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There is a pack of 30 manuscripts, a pack of 60 manuscripts, a pack of 150 manuscripts, and a pack of 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I do recommend the 300 pack, because that is what I did, and that is where you can make the most money. So when I say $1,000 a month, it is not fixed. It can be $20,000, $13,000, $9,000. It can be anything. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts, please send me an email so I can add you to my own private personal KDP group that has KDP publishers from all around the world. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, get the free training, publish your books on Amazon KDP, and sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below. All right, you're welcome back. So this is a fully funded opportunity to study in these 4 countries in Europe. This scholarship is going to provide your tuition fees. They're going to pay your tuition fees. They are going to provide your visa fees, your flight tickets, going to give you a monthly stipend. Health insurance is included. We're going to see all the details. Or let's just look at it immediately, yeah? This is the Erasmus Mundus MAP scholarship for 2026 and 2027. It is fully funded. So Erasmus Mundus has so many scholarships, okay? This one is MAPP scholarship. So this one is a 2-year master's program in public policy jointly offered by the top 4 European universities. So this is your chance to study for free at 4 prestigious universities in Europe. European and international students from all around the world are eligible to apply for this scholarship. MAP is one of the popular master's programs that comes under the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's degree. The duration of the scholarship is 2 years. You will complete your 4 semesters in 4 different EU universities. These universities are located in the UK, in Netherlands, in Spain, and in Austria. It is a fully funded scholarship by the European Union. Students will receive a degree in Master of Arts in Public Policy. The deadline is December 10 of 2025, and your studies is going to start next year, September. There is no application fees. Applying is completely free. You don't need to contact a professor. They also waive English language test as well. And it's going to cover your full tuition fees, full insurance cover, and any other mandatory costs. And everything that has to do with your moving to study and all your school year is covered by them. Travel costs, visa costs, everything. And you're going to be getting a monthly stipend as well. These are some quick facts about the program. So there are 4+1 countries. Students from 80 countries have participated in this. And of our graduates, 94% were employed within 6 months. Practice components for 100% of our students. So there is a lot of information here to read, but we'll just keep that, yeah? So these are the 4 universities: the University of York in the UK, International Institute of Social Studies, Erasmus University Rotterdam, The Hague, Netherlands, Central European University, Vienna, Austria, and Barcelona Institute of International Studies in Spain. So you're going to be getting your degree from these 4 universities. That is so interesting. You get the chance to school in these 4 countries. So you basically just click here to apply, okay? So these are details about how to apply. So there is a deadline calendar here. There are many links here. There's another link here. So you would just read all of that, okay? You would fill an online application form, and you're not going to be paying application fees, all right? So these are the mobility tracks that you're going to be covering on this, the 4 of them. Besides submitting the online application form, candidates will be required to upload supporting documents, which is listed here. Let's look at that. Let's see the documents you need to submit. Number 1, completed online application form. Number 2, letters of recommendation. And this is details about it. So you're going to provide 2 official letters of recommendation, preferably at least one of them from an academic. So one can be academic, one can be professional. The 2 can be academic, but one must be academic, all right? And this is going to be part of the application. So you're going to be submitting the details of your referees, and they will contact your referees, who will in turn submit them within 7 days of application submission. Then electronic version of all higher education academic results. So your bachelor's degree transcript is needed, and a diploma, that is a certificate, is also needed as well. So you have to put those 2 in your application. Then you also need a CV. The CV should include a list of publications too, if any, yeah? So it's not compulsory, you should have it. But if you have it, please do include it. It's going to help your application. Then you need a statement of purpose. no more than 500 words, highlighting the candidate's reasons for applying to Mundus map, research interest, any relevant academic and work experience, the future career plans, and indicating the study track to which you are applying. Remember the 4 study tracks I showed you previously? So you would choose which of them you're going to be applying for. And then proof of English, okay? They've said here you don't need your proof of English if you are from the following countries. All right, so you can let me just read it. Mundus map does not require a language certificate from applicants who are citizens of the following countries, provided they have received a bachelor's or master's degree taught exclusively in English. So these are the countries exempt: Australia, Botswana, Canada, Gambia, Ghana, Ireland, Jamaica, Kenya, Liberia, Malawi, Namibia, New Zealand, Nigeria, Philippines, Rwanda, the English speaking region, South Africa, Tanzania, Trinidad and Tobago, Uganda, UK, USA, and Zambia. So if you're not among these countries, then you would need it. And these are the different certifications you can take: TOEFL, IELTS, Cambridge C2, C1, and Duolingo. Duolingo is becoming very popular. So I think that's one test you should have, because there are some applications you want to do and it's only Duolingo that is acceptable, like the vocational schools in Finland. So if you're in that space where you're trying out different countries, I think Duolingo, you should have that, among your list of documents. Okay, so there are frequently asked questions you can see here, and then there is an email for inquiries, so you can reach out to them if you want. Come to this website and see the other information that I did not talk about. There is so much to see. You can start with about the program, admissions, okay? So look at this. This is very needed. Look at this a great deal, and every other information. But basically, I just wanted to let you know that there is a fully funded scholarship that is currently open for studies in Europe. All right. So if you want to further your studies, here is your chance to do it for free. And even if you're probably not thinking about studying, like it's not like urgent for you, you really want to work, trust me, getting this degree is going to help you in the labor market. It's a very easy way to get into the European labor market. So it's a win-win for you. It's fully funded and it's a free application as well. So please go for it. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Let me know if you're going to be applying for it. Let me know if you want to speak with me personally. I do have one-on-one consultation with people. So if you want to talk to me, you can reach out to me. All right, so that's it. Please don't forget to give the video a like, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. Let us see you in the next one. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet, and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.